The following points must be kept in mind throughout the orientation program. Only relevant questions should be asked. No other question will be entertained. Passing any unnecessary comments to other present on the live chat will not be accepted. Signs of disrespect towards teachers, seniors, co-peers will not be entertained. Use of any foul language in the live chat box is strictly prohibited. Question and answer session will be held on the respective groups.
Anyone found doing any of the above mentioned things will be directly removed from the meeting, blacklisted by all the societies of Dayal Singh College Morning, banned from all the competitions conducting during the session 2020-21 in the college.
What's next? It's the major question that every fresher asks oneself after entering the college life, as everything around is new and divergent. A big question mark pops in front of us. Everyone wants to be take a road less traveled by, and want to stand on the plethora of success in the blink of an eye. But that's now how the concept of success works. There are several steps needed to be taken before one becomes a Zuckerberg or a Bill Gates.
You might be thinking where to start from, so worry not, we are here for you. Hello freshers, thank you for joining us today. I, Sonu Sharma and Riddhi Aneja, on behalf of Finanza, the Finance Society of Dayal Singh College Morning, welcomes you all to this beautiful evening. I know it's been hard for all of us to cope up with this new normal, but soon all is going to be okay. You are going to look back and be glad that you never gave up.
Going by this, we assume that everyone present here might have a tincture of interest in finance and want to know about Finanza and its working. Finanza introduces you to paradigm of finance and economy. Our society will enrich your knowledge of finance. We call out to all the budding entrepreneurs and business connivers to join our family and grow along with us.
Teachers have always been an integral part of our lives. At every stage, they teach us, inspire us, and ignite our imaginations. We also want some piece of advice from our mentors. So let's welcome our mentor, Dr. Rita Nagpal, ma'am, to enlighten us with her words of wisdom.
Hello, freshers, and all my earlier team members. I'm very happy to see you again here. So, first of all, I want to welcome all the newcomers, new team members in this committee, Finanza. And I want to congratulate all of you who have just joined for being a member of a wonderful committee, which will give you a practical exposure of business and commerce and the financial aspect of your life. You will get to learn a lot while working in this committee, and you will groom your personality as well. Also, as rightly said by the prior speaker, Sonu, right? Sonu, you were speaking? Yeah. So we all are facing a very critical situation, challenging situation of pandemic, global pandemic, that is Corona, which has posed a lot of difficulties and challenges in front of us. But these difficulties make us strong and help us discover new ways of doing things, new possibilities, and hence new opportunities. So we have learned to cope up with this situation of physical distancing via this virtual mode. And you have got admissions via virtual mode, and now your teaching learning process and this orientation of the committee is also happening on the virtual platform. So the challenges cannot and should not dishearten us, and we must keep developing, keep following the growth of development, personality development, professional development in the face of challenges. So what I want to say here to all of you is, first of all, it is very important to be honest to yourself. So honesty here means that you are not cheating yourself nor your parents, and doing whatever is expected of you to the best of your capabilities in the face of this challenging environment, this new normal, because we are not physically meeting, we are not physically mentoring you, but still you are your own check master these days. So whatever is expected, whatever is the demand of the situation, whether your lectures or your committee assignments, you have to be honestly doing everything. Second very important thing in the process of life growth is your discipline. So all those who are successful today have followed a disciplined lifestyle. So discipline make things possible for you. It is very important to do all the work whichever is assigned to you in the committee by your senior team members with a disciplined and committed way. Third very important thing which I want you to pursue is you all must have a sense of direction, where you are proceeding, what you want to be after a given period of time. Maybe the 3-year learning process here, or maybe some people will extend their learning to further higher learning. So after 5 years, where you want to be, where you see yourself, and that kind of sense of direction, that kind of target which you set today will give you an aligned, a focused way of pursuing the things, whether your studies or your committee work, your assignments, your projects, whatever the committee team members decide about, whatever your senior tell you. So what you want to do, what you want to achieve in your life is a way of aligning your efforts. All these three things will help you grow faster, grow better, and by the end of your learning period, by the end of your stay in the college, you will be happy to see back, happy to look back that you have really gained from each and everything you have done in these 3 years. As far as I am concerned, I am always available to all of you for any kind of guidance or mentoring you may need during your whole period in the college. So from my side, I wish you all the best for a successful, fruitful learning experience in the committee and a good personality development. All the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are glad to have you here. Now let us introduce you to our society's president, Muskan Khan, for explanation of working in our society.
Am I audible, Riddhi?
Yeah, you're audible.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Muskan, currently pursuing BCom Honors, 3rd year, and I have been a part of Finanza for past 2 years. So, starting from what does a society stand for? It is a place where people with different mindsets and different personalities come together. Now, what does Finanza stand for? Finanza is finance in Italian language. Now, Finanza is a place where people with different mindsets and different personalities come together to interact about various topics in finance. Wait a minute if you have already figured out an image out of my words about Finanza, because Finanza not only gives you the confidence to speak and put your point forward, but also gives you the friends and memories that you cherish for lifetime. If talking about my personal experience, it has given me more than just you can not even think of. When I entered the college life in 2018, I was an introvert person. Like I was afraid from public speaking. I was afraid from interacting with people, and was not very well with interaction with new people. All right. So when I got selected for Finanza, I made this an ultimate thing that if I'm in this committee, if I'm in this society, I will be devoting 100% to this society and not to any other society, because If I'm here, and I won't be distributing my attention towards various other societies and committees. All right. So slowly and gradually, I started interacting with people. I started talking with people and starting interacting with various and broke my shell out of, if you can say. My seniors were really helpful at that point of time. They trusted me on everything and anything. I learned from them. I grew with them. One of my favorite seniors was Mohsen Bhaiya. He eventually helped me a lot in everything. He treated me like his younger sister, and eventually this made me even more comfortable with him. Whether he was a senior, and I learned various traits from her, like how to handle situations, how to handle various things, like how to take decisions from calm mind and composed mind, and various other things. You can compare the seniors' level of advice in the college life. I recently got a text that seniors are more helpful than the teachers, but I don't know if it is true or not. But just like our seniors said, just like our seniors did, they were throughout with us in our thick and thin. We will be there with you guys in your thick and thin. If you will do something wrong, deed, I will eventually scold you right there. If you will be doing something good, I will appreciate you there and then. But once you're part of Finanza, you're part of our family. You're part of FamBam. I won't say that you join only this society. Join any society, because eventually you need to find yourself. You need to develop your skills. You need to do various things. You need to explore, and exploring can be done in any society, not only just Finanza. But what you can achieve only in Finanza, we will be telling you in the coming slides. All right. So Akshay, next slide, please. So here comes what is Finanza. Finanza is a team of young individuals who strive to be entrepreneurs, managers, business tycoons in the near future. We aim to sharpen and shape the minds of the people who possess an inclination towards finance and plan to pursue a career in this field. We began functioning 5 years back. So basically, what here it is written that people with who are aiming to be managers, entrepreneurs, business tycoons will be you will be learning everything here. But what I would say rather is that if you are here, you will be in next coming years. You will be a good manager. You will be a good entrepreneur. You will be a good business tycoon, because in a society, when you are here, you will be learning various things. You will be learning. You will be exploring yourself. You will be exploring your traits, your weaknesses. You will be exploring other people. You will be exploring life. You will be exploring the world. So this society is not only just for finance. You learn various other things. And now coming onto the financial point of view, if you are good at finance, then very good. Be a part of Finanza. But if you're not good with finance, please be a part of Finanza if you want to explore yourself. Because one has the will to learn, can find the way. Next slide, please. What are we made of? We are a family of some young and unique personalities who are driven by the urge to learn more, with every person being a part of the world of Finanza. We aim at making it a family that keep you occupied and have something where you can explore everything and anything in these college years. Because when you leave from those college gates, we want you to be wiser, better, and what you are today. It will be one blur of a fun. So basically, what Finanza gives you is the 3-year life experience. That these 3 years of college life, these 3 years should be mesmerizing, should be memorable. That when you will leave from those college gates, you will see yourself as a different personality. When you enter this college, you were a different person. When you leave this college, you shall be a different person, a developed one, a more sophisticated one. So yes, Finanza is is a young family of young and unique personalities. Everyone is unique in its own way and it's in its own kind. So we won't say that here every personality is here, but you all need to come and join us for a better experience. Next slide, please. Here's the team. Here's the last year team 2019 to 20. First row is of the society heads. They're the society positions. I will be explaining you in the further slides. And the second row is of the senior members of the society that were last year. and then we had the team. This was the team of 70 individuals. 9. All right. Next slide, please. Akshay. Here's the executive board. So I am Muskan Khan, the president of the society. Now I would like to introduce Shivam Gupta, the vice president of the society. Is Shivam here?
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Shivam Gupta, and I'm the vice president of Horizon. Thank you.
The others, we have Vibhuti Chopra as the secretary of the society, Anirudh Singh as the HR head of the society, Apurva Tyagi as the treasurer of the society, and Ananya Oberoi as the secretary of the society. Moving on to the next, here's the advisory board, Harshit Jain, Ishita Singh, and Karan Sai. They help us in the advising processes of the society. Moving on to the next. We might work as consolidated individuals, but when the night grows cold, we share the same roof. We are not just limited to finance or sponsorship for all it matters, but are more than just that. We are divided into 4 departments. First department is marketing department, then it is sponsorship department, then comes content department, then comes the technical department. If you want to be a part of Finanza, you have to be a part of any of these departments. Next slide, please. So here I'm presenting you the leaders of our marketing department. Sparsh Jain as the marketing head and Harshit Arora as the marketing coordinator. I would like to call upon both of them to introduce the marketing department.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
First of all, a very warm virtual welcome to all the freshers, and I wish you all a good luck for beginning of your new chapter of your life at the Dayal Singh College. I am Sparsh Jain, the marketing head of Finanza, and without taking much of your time, let's dig deeper into the workings of marketing department. Marketing department is one of the main departments, and the basic workings of marketing department is there are many workings, like there are 9 or 10 workings. Here just I am briefing you all about some of the major workings. So the first one, let's begin with the first one. The first one is generating ideas for social media handles. That is, you must have gone through our page, our Insta and Facebook page. We had certain series, like we had series on brand series, and series on women entrepreneurs, and series on type of stock, and various other series. So these all series are decided from topic se leke the title of the series are decided by the marketing department. And the second thing we do is working of us is collaborations. Collaborations are important part under a department, wherein we collaborate with various other societies of Delhi University and IP University and others, and both the society agree on some of the deliverables, terms and condition. वो जो हमारा collaboration होता है, वो it can be of 1 year for one session, और mutually agreed जितने time के लिए होता है उतने time का होता है. And then comes the actual marketing, promotion of our society's events, posts, blogs among the college students all over, so as to bring maximum participation and engagement. Like अभी जो हमारा event हुआ था अक्टूबर में Prodigium, उसमें we had participants from IIT Kharagpur. So are some of the basic things we do under marketing department. इसमें under the marketing department you will learn the PR skills and be given a platform to showcase your creative brains. Apart from this, the personal growth and grooming will be really helpful for future prospects. Now I would like to request Harshit to take over and brief other things related to the marketing department. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Harshit and I'm the coordinator of the marketing department. As Sparsh explained right now, you guys must have gotten an idea of how the marketing department works. So I'd like to highlight just this one point, which is content creation. Like, how do we make a content to catch the attention of the students? How do we make our social media handles more engaging? I'll explain the solution to these questions with the series that we posted on our Instagram account, which was The Finances of the Famous. So what we did was we made a content which had famous actors like Amitabh Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra, Yushman Khurrana, which everybody is aware about. Everybody knows what they do, what movies they are doing, and everybody loves to hear about their gossips, right? So what we did was, but nobody's aware of what they do with their finances, with the money that they are making. So that's what our series was all about. We explained their finances, where recently they have invested, and what is their net worth. And during this time, our profile visits increased more than 40%. And this was the working of the marketing department. So this was just one example of content creation. And if you think you have the creative mind and the ability to think outside the box, then this is the right place for you. Thank you.
Now moving on to the next, here we are the leaders of sponsorship department. Sneha Bamba as the sponsorship head and Akshay Bhatnagar as the sponsorship coordinator. I would like to call upon both of them to explain the working of the sponsorship department.
Thank you, Ms. Khan. So, hello everyone. I am Sneha Bamba, second year student of BCom program and head of the sponsorship department. So, about the sponsorship department, you must have seen some posters of certain events or being organized by a society or even posters of a concert or anything. These posters have some name and logos of certain brands and companies, restaurants. These brands provides funding to our society in terms of cash or kind, and with the help of which we organize our events. And in return, we help them market. And in return, we help them market their brand on a social media platform and on our website. The importance of such funding cannot be undermined. So, in a way, this department is the backbone of a society, as without the funds, our plans will not convert themselves into great events. For our annual events, we also contact different artists such as stand up comics, influencers, and musicians to come as a speaker or as a point of entertainment at our event. It's really fun during the fest season because we get to contact really popular people. So, some of the major companies that have sponsored us are Gioni, Smash, Time, IMS, and Career Launcher. And some of the prominent personalities that we contacted are Rajat Chauhan and Prashasti Singh. Now, if I tell you about my experience in this department, I just applied in the society Finanza to make some new friends and build a network, but it has given me a lot more than that. I joined this department because sponsorship came across as something new to me, and so I thought to give it a try, and it's been great. I think I'm more confident now, and I can easily go and approach to anyone and talk perfectly fine because when you contact with these great companies on a daily basis, this eventually increases your communication skills and uplifts your confidence level. Trust me, you will see a drastic change in your personality and you will grow as an individual when you will become a part of the society. So if you think you have it in you to talk to these great personalities and brands, so the sponsorship department is the right fit for you. I'm really looking forward to read your applications and getting the best of you on board. So yeah, good luck, guys. And now Akshay will explain you more about the department.
Yeah, hi guys. I'm not able to turn on my camera due to some technical issues. Sorry for that. So I'll be brief about the sponsorship department. First of all, thank you, Sneha, for telling everyone about the department. In a nutshell, guys, we bring in the finance for Finanza. Now, it's not easy to get these brands to sponsor an event. A lot of hard work goes behind it. For that, we draft well-defined proposals and well-written and professionally written emails. We talk to new brands and companies every day and go to meetings with them. As a member of the sponsorship department, you will be contacting them on a daily basis. I'm 100% sure that being in the sponsorship department will drastically improve your communication skills and help you to expand your network. No matter how much I emphasize on the importance of being a good communicator in the 21st century, it will be less. I have seen my seniors getting placed in one of the finest companies, and I have seen a lot of change in myself from the time when I was a fresher. All thanks to Finanza and all thanks to the sponsorship department for it. And like I said about being a good communicator, and believe me, you will get just the right amount of much needed corporate exposure. All thanks to Finanza for this again. I'm really looking forward to see your applications. Best of luck. Happy applying. Over to you, Muskan.
Next slide, please.
Uh, okay, we have the next.
Shivam, please introduce.
So next up, content department. Good content is not. It's telling a story well. So I would like to call upon Smriti Agarwal to tell you more about it.
Yeah, so hello everyone. I'm Smriti, the head of the content department. So first and foremost, welcome, congratulations for making it to Dayal College. I know this is not what you expected from your college life. Everyone wants their college life to be super happening. But due to this coronavirus pandemic, everything has shifted to a virtual platform, and everything has shifted to this virtual platform, and our lives have become monotonous and dull. But I assure you that once you join our Finanza family, you are not going to miss on any of the fun, because we are all about work hard, party harder. So now, moving to the content department, what do you understand by content? Content is anything that adds value to a reader's life. So that is exactly our motive here in the content department at Finanza. So, moving ahead, sorry. I assume that most of you must have visited our social media handles, that is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. So that is a major hub from where we spread all the innovative content to our readers. Alongside our blogs that are posted on our Finanza's official website, that is finanza.dsc. We basically pen down all the creative thoughts and ideas of our team into an attractive manner to put it in front of our viewers. So basically it's all related to finance. बहुत ज़्यादा तो नहीं होता finance related, बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब ये नहीं कि हम एकदम depth में चले जाते हैं कि RBI के एकदम depth में चले जाते हैं. We cover the around the topics and basic insights dete hain finance related. So this is the working of the content department. Yeah, and anyone who is interested in creative writing and anyone who has a little bit knowledge about finance are most welcome in the department. And I hope to see many faces during the interview. And all the best, guys. Now over to you, Akshat.
So, hi everyone, I am Akshat, second year student of BCom Honors. Sorry for that. Hi everyone, I am Akshat, second year student of BCom Honors. And I am the coordinator of the content department. I hope you are all doing well. So, talking about the content department, people usually do not understand how does our department work and what is its main functions. So basically this department takes up new topics and fresh finance news and prepares the content for upcoming posts. We do research work and write a lot of articles, posts, newsletters. We also prepare the caption content for that simultaneously. This department has a lot to offer to you, and you can actually read and learn about what's going around the world and about new financial concepts, and moreover your writing skills will improve significantly over the time. So if any of you have any interest in writing and want to learn in the field of finance, you are most welcome. But that does not mean you must have very good writing skills. Remember, we are all here to learn and grow together. So finally, all the best for your selection procedure, and hope to see you in this society soon.
So guys, next up is the technical department. I would like to call upon Akriti Arora.
Hi everyone, I'm Akriti, BCom Honors second year student. So first, welcome everyone and congratulations for making it to Delhi University. Just like you guys, I was also very curious and had very high expectations from my college, the people, the fest, and everything you guys are excited about right now. I just wanted my college life to be the best one. Everyone does. And trust me, Finanza has given me that experience, that everything which I had expected from my college life. It has been a great journey for me till now, and I hope it will be a great one for you too. Now, coming to our department, that is technical department, I would simply say we fill colors in Finanza. All of us use social media, right? It is something inevitable. And we all get attracted towards beautiful and eye-catchy graphics while scrolling it. Many of you must have gone through our Insta and Facebook handles too. All of those colorful and beautiful graphics are made by us. So we are looking for some creative minds just like you guys to work with us to make Finanza look more attractive. So all the best, guys. Hope to see many of you at the interview round. Now, Akshay would explain you more about the technical department.
So, hello everyone. First of all, welcome to Dayal Singh College and welcome to Finance Orientation 2020. I would like to start my speech by sharing my experience with this society. When I came to this college, I was a really introverted person. I really didn't talk to anyone, didn't participate in any of the activities. If someone ever said to me that I had to deliver a speech in front of people, I probably would have fainted. But that's exactly what I'm doing today. So it's all because of Finanza. Finanza provides you with a platform, the people, the opportunities to develop your personality. So yeah, that's my experience with Finanza. So when I talk about the tech department, I can explain it in 5 words. We make things look attractive. It is our duty to make the posters, the videos, the stories that will attract people towards the social handles and increase our engagement in events and different fests. We maintain the online presence of the society, whether it's the website or sending out it invitations or any other thing. So yeah, that's about the tech department of Finanza. Looking forward to interacting with you guys. Cheers.
Is Akshay here?
I think there's a technical issue at my end. Can Muskan, you go ahead with the PPT?
All right, all right.
There's a query coming from my aspirant. Yes, you can join more than one department. So we'll explain about how you will be recruited further in the orientation. So stay tuned.
Now, I would like to thank Dr. Rita Nagpal, our mentor. Thank you, ma'am, for always being there for us, helping us out in every situation, in every problem. Your solutions are always unique for us and are marvelous. Whenever we are stuck, you were always there, standing for us. You are the supporting pillar of this society. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, my best wishes to all of you for a fruitful learning experience, for exposure of all practical things you are expecting here, and a good personality development experience. All the best.
So moving on to the next. Just wait a second. Akshay, take over.
So moving on to the next, here are the insights into the previous year. Like what all we did in the previous year, what all were the things that made us what Finanza is today. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Soren Kierkegaard. So here we are giving you an insight of what all we have done till now. First is the SEBI visit. Second is the Recognicon event. Third is Emporio 2019. Fourth is Finamics 2019. Fifth will be the website launch. Sixth are the blogs that we publish. Seventh are the online series that go on our social media handles. Let's dig deep into these to understand everything in a better way. SEBI visit. We unfolded the torn pages reflecting that light at the end of the tunnel, furnishing all you need through a funnel, with the aim to orient the students of the roles and functions of SEBI in regulating the capital market. Finanza, the Finance Society of Dayal Singh College, was there with an informative visit to SEBI on 16th, 20th, and 25th of September 2019. If knowledge is not impure into practice, it does not benefit anyone. During the visit, everyone was offered a personalized interaction with the SEBI officials, deep-rooted knowledge about financial markets and their functioning processes. Next slide. Here are some pictures of the SEBI visit that we visited last year in the month of September. Everyone had a fruitful interaction with the SEBI officials. We learned the working of the SEBI and through the officials only. And everyone was given the participation certificates, and the visit was free for the members, whereas it was chargeable for the other students. All right, now here we are, Recognicon. Blurry faces? No, money faces. Finanza is here to introduce you to its online entrepreneur hunt competition, Recognicon, a series of blurred images of famous personalities were put on our Instagram handle with a hint. The answer was in the form of a word search with the help of the hint. Recognize all the images correctly in the least time and win. Similar to it is a online competition that is going to be that held in the last year on our Instagram handle. We put it up on the stories, the blurry images of various famous entrepreneurs, and we put it up various word searches, and anyone who identified the faces in the least time won the competition basically. Next slide, please. Here is Emporio 19. Emporio 19 is the annual event that Finanza hosts every year with the freshers. The mind-boggling extravaganza was held. Finanza, the Finance Society of Dayal Singh College, was there with its annual event Emporio 19. It had two events lined up: game of charades, enact, guess, win, revised version of charades, adding to it a tincture of phenomenon, elevates the catch, rewinding the time and reminiscing your childhood once again. Quizonics knocked them out, introducing you all to the next level quiz competition revolving around BizTech. Think smart, act fast, else you'll be out of the main cast. Now, what game of charades was, if you all have played dumb charades, it was the brand charades. Like you all have to enact the brands and your team members have to guess it. In place of the movie names, the brand names were there. Now coming on to the Quizonics, it was an AdMat competition that was held in the Emporio 19 itself. Next slide, please. Every year we host our annual fest, that is Finamics 19. Earlier this year we hosted our independent fest, Finamics. It consisted of 4 offline events and 1 online event along with Reboot. Students from various colleges participated in these events. The prizes for the whole fest was worth rupees 2,70,000. Next slide, please. Here are the 4 events that were lined up. The trail, and it was a scavenger hunt competition that was basically a treasure hunt competition, and people have to go with the hints, go with the flow of the hints and find the next leading. hint and eventually go to the last hint. And the one who will turn up to the last hint, the first person to go to the last hint will be the winner. The advertainment was again an AdMant competition. Interrobit was a quiz competition with a twist of bidding in it. Hitwicket was an IPL auction. IPL you all must have enjoyed sometime or the other. But here we presented IPL auction. But there was a glitch. There was not a glitch, but there was something happened at that point of time. In January, the Gargi in college, few of the things didn't turn out well, and few of the events didn't go well. So because of that, few of our events didn't happen. That were Hitwicket was unable to take place. Next slide, please. We planned Reboot. Reboot consisted of Rajat Chauhan, a stand-up comedian. You all must have gone through his videos. He is an amazing stand-up comedian. And we planned a musical band performance along with the Universal Music Group. But as I told you earlier itself, various things happened at that point of time, and there were things involved in this, and we were unable to host these events. Everything was planned, everything was just the execution was left on that point at that point of time. And yes, things didn't work well for us. Never mind, we will go ahead even better this year. Next slide, please. Here last year we presented our website, that was finanza.dsc.com. I guess in all the departments, Comsec and Finanza itself has its own website. We hosted our own website. You can go through it. You can copy the link. We will provide you with the link on your respective groups. Now, next slide, please. Here on the website itself, we published our blogs. Here are the insights of just 4 blogs we published. And in these 4 blogs, you will get to learn a crisp knowledge of finance, like Get Set Invest, a crisp guide to investing for college students, penny pinching paradigm, and early guide money management for college students, sluggish phase of the Indian economy. So if you want to read these blogs, you can go to our website, that is www.finanza.dsc.com, and you can know much more about the financial knowledge, and stay tuned on those on our website for new blogs that will be coming in the next coming months. Next slide, please. All right, previous slide. Akshay. All right, Sonu and Riddhi, please take over.
Thank you, Muskan, for briefing the working of our society and various departments so well. Next, I would like to call upon our ex-president, Ms. Vaidhi Bhandari, one of the finest and most hardworking president of our society. I would like to invite her to say a few words.
Hello. Sonu, could you tell if I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I believe there's some issue with my camera. So let me just quickly introduce myself. I am Vaidhi, and I was the president of the society for the last year. First off, congratulations on Delhi University. And let me tell you, you're going to have the best 3 years of your life. Now, to tell you why you should join Finanza is not my job right now. You watched the orientation. I hope you've enjoyed it. So I'm not going to talk about what Finanza does and what the departments are, but I do want to tell you about the relevance. So when you join a society, you get to learn. You get to learn a lot of new things. When I was a fresher, I was very nervous. I went for 2 society interviews and I got rejected from both, including Finanza. But then I requested for a re-interview, and that is how I got selected. It's not just, you just don't have to have ideas. You should also have the confidence to say them. And that is what the society provides you with. It provides you with an environment where you can be open with your thoughts and where you can act upon them. When you conduct events that have participants from other colleges, from other universities, you meet, you interact with so many people, and you learn so much. And I think that is my biggest take from Finanza, that I was able to overcome a lot of my fears and I was able to learn a lot of new things. And apart from work, let me tell you, this team is a very welcoming team. They are some of the warmest people you will meet. And Finanza is not just about work, but about creating memories, about creating bonds that will last you a lifetime. So I do suggest that all of you please join societies and please join Finanza or other societies also. But for Finanza, I can tell you this much: you are going to have a lot of fun and you will really enjoy yourselves. You are going to have a lot of. Thank you.
Okay, we are highly contented to have your presence. Thank you, Vaidehi, for your guidance. We will make our society reach new heights of success.
We all are in the same place, just different levels. Dealing with the same hell, just different devils.
So, as you all are turning a new leaf in your lives, you must have your questions and apprehensions. We know that due to this pandemic, you can't go to college, but we ensure that once you become a part of our family, we will bring the college to you. You won't be missing on any of the fun and frolics, as we all do is work hard and party harder. So come join us.
Next, I would like to call upon Shivam Gupta, the Vice President of Finanza, to say a few words.
Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you are doing well, your family is doing well, your friends are doing well. So I would like to congratulate like everyone else that welcome to the Dalsing College DU. So let me start with a question. Like was Dalsing College your dream college? कि जब पेपर दे रहे थे बोर्ड्स का कि बीएससी का पेपर लिख रहे थे, अकाउंट्स पेपर लिख रहे थे, तो ये सोचा था कि यार दयाल सिंह ही जाना है? Obviously not. I would say हर बच्चा ये सपना देखता है कि I'll make it to SRCC, I'll make it to Hindu. But obviously सबको नहीं मिलता सब कुछ. So but I would say Dayal Singh is not a bad college. It's one of the best college you will get. And for in terms of BCom honors or any other commerce, we have a very active commerce cell which will and a placement cell which will help you get full of the experience. So I would say if you didn't get the dream college, don't get disappointed. You can make your dream come true by working hard. So यार काफी अब formal interaction काफी हो गया, थोड़ा informal interaction करते हैं. So बात आती है सबसे कॉलेज मतलब फ्रेंड्स ही बनता है. आपने सबने मूवीज देखी होगी तो यार करण जौहर की मूवीज देखी होगी कि कॉलेज कैसा है क्या नहीं. तो बस ऑब्वियसली बात, अभी आप कॉलेज जा ही नहीं पाए होगे, तो वील ट्राई कि आप जितना ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट कर पाए, आपको जितनी ज्यादा हेल्प कर पाए, वील देयर फॉर यू. सबसे लगता है आप मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है आप फ्रेंड्स कैसे बना रहे होगे अभी, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली बात है क्योंकि आप कॉलेज आते मिलते, आप इंटरव्यूज देते, आप वैसे क्लास में जाते बच्चों से, तो काफी मुश्किल होती फ्रेंड्स, मतलब इजी हो जाता. बट अब पैंडेमिक है तो there will according to what I think that there will be some difficulty in making friends, that it will be very difficult to interact with others. So here we come in. Here we at Finanza will try to increase your social skills. Like you will be able to contact people from other departments. Like you will not be restricted just to a class section, like only asking doubts from others. You can literally interact with any other person. We have students from economic honors, we have students pursuing science subjects, we have students pursuing botanical subjects. So there is a mixture, there is a diversity, I would say, which would help you to interact, get new skills. There are people who will have strong marketing skills, there are people who have strong sponsorship skills. So here it will be a amalgamation and merger of all those skills. So like we have decided to bring upon us a small college tour and how we informally interact. So I would like to ask them to bring up the PPT, please. Akshay, can we have the movie, please? Sorry, I mean the PPT. uh, due to some errors, so now we'll proceed with the after movie of our Fresh Dynamics. So I would like Ananya to start the after movie. It will help you get a glimpse that how we worked, how much we enjoyed.
Also, we here at Finanza not only gain the knowledge in finance and not only develop our skills, but also we enjoy, we party, we have fun, we have friends, we have outings, and you will be seeing all through in the next coming next few minutes. Ananya, please present the after movie.
I hope you guys enjoyed the after movie and got a glimpse that how much we enjoyed uh, Fest. And you must be wondering that at the end, why was the stand-up and band cancelled? So what happened was at that time, if you were aware, incidents at Gagi happened which raised some security issues. So the police had to intervene, and just before a day of the stand-up comedy and the band, the police asked us to make some requirements which we could not have, which we could not combine just day before. So the principal decided to cancel the event. We were very heartbroken that, and on the next day it shifted to auditorium from the amphitheater. So we had around 1,000 to 1,500 students that showed up, but again some issues happened, and the principal decided to call off. So we had to disappoint 1,500 kids that showed up for the event. We were heartbroken as well, but the authority decided, so we couldn't do anything else. So you can see that Finanza is more than finance. Here we interact, we socialize. As a person, you develop. So I would ask Akshay to start with the meeting, which will show that how we informally interact. Sir, it's just a small college tour, I would say, that we try to show you that how what college life really is in Dalsing. So as you can see, this is the main entrance of the Dalsing College. Please, the next slide. So this is the freshers party which happened after the induction happened. So like I don't think this time it would be possible. So we'll try to arrange a small meetup if possible, if the safety protocols are followed. So this was the freshers which we organized. There were Mr. Fresher and Mr. Fresher competitions were held. We enjoyed a lot. So next slide. This was us going on the SEBI visit. So like apart from formal visits, we have some very many important meetings. We go to Bangla Sai, we be at CP, Hudson Lane, the Satya Niketan. We keep on going there as a group and enjoy. Next slide. Next slide. That's a weird. So apart from these fests we organize in the college, we also have some parties. You can see the pictures of Holi party as well as Diwali party. So we try to socialize as much as we can, enjoy, because we party as well as we work hard. Next slide. So you can see ऐसे काफी इवेंट्स होते रहते हैं. हम यूलू चलाने सब गए थे, काफी मजे आए थे कि 15 यूलू इकट्ठे निकले. हमारे कॉलेज के बिल्कुल बाहर यूलू स्टैंड है, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो एंजॉय दैट. Next slide. Akshay, your mic is off. So this year before the corona pandemic happened, we went to a society trip, I would say. Went to Nainital and Corbett for 3 nights and 4 days. It was a very lovely experience. We enjoyed a lot. We stayed up till late nights. It was a very fun experience, and we'll try that. We'll go on a trip after this pandemic is over once again. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. थैंक यू गाइस. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि काफी हम इनफॉर्मली भी इंटरेक्ट करते हैं जितना हम फॉर्मली इंटरेक्ट होता है हमारा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अभी कॉलेज तो आप ऑब्वियसली जा नहीं पा रहे होंगे, तो ऐसे ही कुछ
थोड़ा शेयर करना चाहेंगे कॉलेज के बारे में। कॉलेज के बाहर एक मैगी पॉइंट है जो काफी फेमस है, मतलब सबका अगर आप खाना चिल करना है तो we'll just go to Maggie Point. Apart from that, we have a dosa point. We have Khan Market if someone wants to go on a date. बाकी लोधी गार्डन है। सो चिल आउट करने की काफी प्लेस है, बस आपका साथ चाहिए। So I would like to call upon Muskan Khan and she'll explain you the recruitment process and the wait is finally over. Thank you.
Right, thank you, Shivam, for giving us the insight. Also, guys, as shown in the above pictures that were displayed, you might have seen that we not only work, we enjoy, we make friends, we socialize, apart from class, or apart from our class groups, we go and we learn, basically. Not only learn, we enjoy and we party, most probably. सब कुछ ये होता है कि कभी ना कभी वर्क करें, फिर साथ में पार्टी करें, मतलब बैलेंस, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मेंटेन करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सबने पढ़ा भी होगा बिजनेस स्टडीज में, 12th में तुम लोगों ने। वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस मेंटेन करना इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड by working hard, you can party also hard. So if you are working really good with us, then we are really going to throw a lit party for you guys to enjoy. So moving forward, we will be having the Q&A session. Before the Q&A session, I will be explaining the recruitment process. In the recruitment process, there will be 2 rounds particularly. First round will be a small interview plus the assessment form. The assessment form will be uploaded on the groups, the orientation groups. At 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. the orientation form will be uploaded on the orientation groups, and you all have to fill the assessment form. Don't just copy and paste. Please fill the form like how you feel about that thing, because when we will be interviewing you on the basis of that assessment form, eventually things will turn against you and not will be in favor of you. Just show your true self. Who are you and what are you looking forward from us? The first round will be an interview plus the assessment form. We'll be interviewing you on the basis of the assessment form and plus extra some of the questions. Then if you clear that round, then you'll be moving forward to the second round. That will be again the interview round, but this will be the department specialized interview. As in if you're opting for marketing department, then there will be few of the questions related to marketing. If you're opting for sponsorship department, there will be few of the questions related to sponsorship. So there will be department specialist interview. So there is no group discussion. We are having 2 rounds of interview. First round of interview, who clears the first round of interview will be moving forward to the second round of interview. All right. And the assessment form will be uploaded at 6 p.m. on both the orientation groups, and this assessment form will be closed at 12 p.m. itself. Now moving on to the Q&A session, everyone is requested to put on their doubts on the orientation group.
I would like to something that don't be scared from the recruitment process. It will be simple, just be you, show your skills, show your USP to us, and you'll get selected. So it will be a very simple process. We just want to see your communication skills. That's it. So don't be scared. Like, डरो मत, अपना आराम से चिल होके करो. हम मॉल्स नहीं जो आपको बड़ा एकदम से ग्रिल में कर देंगे. रोडीज के ऑडिशंस नहीं है, नॉर्मल प्रोफेशनल ऑडिशंस है. So yes, don't be scared.
And please guys apply. जितना आप लोग अप्लाई करोगे, जितना आप लोग एक्टिवनेस दिखाओगे, उतना हम लोग को मजा आएगा इंटरव्यूज लेने में, and we will love to socialize with you guys. So please. So here's the first question. Can we join more than one department? Yes, you can join more than one department, but eventually what will happen is you won't be able to focus on one department because you have joined 2 departments. And I will recommend you that please go for only one department. You can apply for 2 departments. You can start from one department. You can apply for 2 departments, but you can join. समझ रहे हो? All right. Now, how many students will be recruited? As of now, we have not decided yet. Yeah, we have not decided yet. If you guys are capable enough for us to recruit you, then you are welcome in our team. Then moving on to our next question. Just wait a second. The working of the society has been explained. Personal interview will be taking tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. The timings will be told to you at 9 p.m. today. All right. Is it important to use English in the interview, or we can use Hindi also? You need to be comfortable in the interview. You need not to be restricted to any language. Just be comfortable with us in the communication process, and just show your true self. Is there cultural department? No. And
So cultural department, you can join the cultural societies, which is
all right. Now
you can join those societies.
we are having an event tonight at 9 p.m. That is the Big Bull contest. If you guys have seen Scam 1992 or Harshad Mehta story, or if you search it on the internet as well, like Harshad Mehta scam, what all happened at that point of time, you will get all the details itself. And all the questions will be asked from there only, nothing apart from that. You can be asked the financial terms of what all the financial terms that were used in the series, and how was questions related to Harshad Mehta, questions related to his friends and his family. That's it. When we need to select the particular department in the application form, if you clear for the first round, then you will be given an application form to select this department, to give your department preference. How the quiz will be conducted? Quiz will be conducted on our Instagram stories, and it will be uploaded at 9 p.m. And please be active on the Instagram. That is our Instagram handle, that is finanza.bsc, and all of everyone who will be answering first and with the most accuracy will be the winner.
The top 10, the top 5 performers don't have to go through the first round. They'll just have to clear the second round.
Yeah.
So
is there any seat limit? Yeah, if you are capable enough, we will recruit you. Don't take tension about the seat limit or anything related to how you will be selected. That's our headache. You just need to give your best to us, and we promise you that we will be there for you. What work would we have to do if we got selected? See, being a part of Finanza, you have to work in the 4 departments that were explained: marketing, sponsorship, and content and technical. You have to work in either one department or 2 departments. It's your choice. But like if you're working in the marketing department, you will be working towards the attraction of people. You will be working towards marketing the society, the ways to market the society, the new ideas you can market, the pitch, the confidence you can build up. In the sponsorship department, as explained earlier, sponsorship department will be dealing in the calling. That is, sponsorship department is the heart of the society, and the sponsorship department will be dealing in the calling. Like you'll be doing the corporate calling, you'll be calling various people, various organizations, and ask for them the sponsorship. You'll be telling that what Finanza is, and you'll be asking for the sponsorship amount if they agree to. Then coming on to the content department makes the content that you see on all our social media handles, all our broadcasts, everything. The written part is made by the content department. So you need to be good in English, and you need to have creative mind for the content department. And for the technical department basically focuses on graphics or website designing. So if you are good in any of these, please do apply. Now moving on to the next.
Also, there's another question: how we'll work online. So, like in the past, the pre-corona period, like we used to meet in the college. We used to conduct meeting in the offline mode. We used to interact. The person would come like a proper normal meeting. But now we have adopted the digital way. So, like we'll meet regularly on Google Meet. We'll have WhatsApp groups. We'll call if it's important. So, like yeah, we'll interact through the online platform only.
Like the ex-president said that she was rejected in the interview round, she requested you all to give them a chance. So in the same case, if we are not selected, can we be given another chance for the interview? Of course not. I'm really sorry to say that, but this thing happened at that year. We can't promise you in this year. You have to give your best in this short only. You don't have to think about the future prospects. All right.
And we'll try after that, like when the colleges get open, like in the physical form. So we'll try to like reconduct another round so that students who couldn't go through this round can apply there. So like we'll have provisions. So that's a later thing.
Next question is there any GD round? As explained, there will be 2 interview rounds. There will be no group discussion round. Next question, what are the parameters to get selected in the content department? I explained as earlier, content department, you need creativity and good English, then you are welcome in our society. Student of any courses can join? Yes, student from any course can join. What qualities do you see in us during the interview? You need to be, just be yourself and just be confident while speaking to us. Nothing else we require from you, just be yourself and don't try to pretend to be someone else. That's it. Next query. If the student of work
Yes, there is
is
always scope for initiative. Like, continue.
if the student of work, is there any chance of creating a new investing personal finance department? You can't create a finance department in our college because it already exists. You can, if you want to open your own society, you can go further with any other department. That's it.
But I would say yes, you are welcome to for the initiative. Like after you are part of team, you can lead a team as well. Like if you have idea, you will lead. You will not lead. If you have idea, it's your initiative. You are the one who will lead from the front. So yes, I hope you clear the rounds and we'll interact about this your idea. Thank you.
Now, can you please tell again how many departments does we have in Finanza? Finanza have 4 departments. First is marketing department. Marketing department works as the works in the marketing of the society. That is marketing specialty. Then comes the sponsorship department. Sponsorship department basically focuses on the corporate calling and basically focuses on the finance part of the society, financial part of the society. Moving on to the next is the content department, the written part that you all see on our social media handles and you see on on the broadcast that we put everywhere. Those parts are made by the content department. Then the posters that you see, the video that was presented in our orientation that was made by the graphics department head. Our head Akshay Garg makes the videos and Akriti makes our posters. So yes, they will be teaching you how to do the graphics if you don't know. You just need to come and have an initiative to learn. That's it. All right. What will be the reward for winning the Big Bull contest? The reward for winning the Big Bull contest first is that you won't be giving that you won't be giving the first round of interview. You will be directly into the second round of interview. Also, we'll be providing you some vouchers of some cafes or some various good places. How much time will the society demand? In the fest time, it takes much time, but as we are online, I don't think so much time would be taken. And guys, many of you have PM me about a certain thing that you have to miss. Do we have to miss classes? See, guys, if you have to gain something, you eventually have to lose on something. Like if you have to gain here, you have to lose on the classes, or either you can. We won't say you to miss the class every day. But eventually, if things don't turn out and things don't work well with us, then you have to miss your class and you have to work with us if we say to you that. So just please don't say that you can't have everything for yourself, right? Shivam,
Apart
please?
from that, we are very cooperative. Like we'll understand your
Yes,
problem.
yes.
So I think that's the end of the Q&A section.
No, it isn't end. On what basis top 5 will be selected? As I told earlier, top 5 will be selected on the basis of first is the accuracy, second is the timely answer. Like if you are answering at correct 9 p.m., all the answers you are answering at 9 p.m. and you have all the answers correct, then you are the winner. What will we do being a part of Finanza? You will be the member, you will be doing, if you see, you have to join a department and you have to work in that particular department. And I've explained the working of the department. We will be putting out the PPT as well on your respective groups. So if you have any doubt regarding the department, you can go through the PPT. Or if you still have any anything, then you can see. Now, can you again say the time and date of Big Bull contest? Big Bull contest is going to be held at 9 p.m. today. It is in 3.5 hours today at 9 p.m. on our Instagram handle. What do you expect from us in the interview round? Which type of questions will be asked? As I told earlier, just be yourself. Nothing. You don't need to be someone else. Anything else? So the top 5 students will go directly into the second round. They need not to give the first round. All right. And if you have anything, if you still have any doubt, we'll be putting out the PPT. And if you still have any doubt, guys, my number is in every group. You can see me, Muskan, 9560570567. Please contact me there, and you can PM me there on WhatsApp. I will be answering to all your questions. Thank you so much for this amazing event. You all have been a great audience, and we expect to see you all tomorrow in in our recruitment process. And the details for the recruitment process will be shared with you on the group itself at night. So stay tuned on the WhatsApp group. Sonu, you may take over.
Finally, we would like to place a thanks to all the freshers, Mrs. Rita Nagpal ma'am, Vaidehi, and last but not the least, the whole team of Finanza for their encouragement and giving us their precious time. Hope you all understood all the workings of the society. For any further queries, do contact us. We will be happy to help you.
Guys, there was one more thing, that if you guys have haven't not registered for the orientation yet, please, I have mentioned my number. Please PM me, and I will be adding you to the group. Also, we will be putting out the form, another form link for the people who haven't registered yet. Please do register. After 10 p.m., no one will be allowed to come in and register for the recruitment process. The after movie link will be, the after movie that we showed to you will be up on our Instagram handle. You can go through you can go and see there. And if you have any doubt, PM me.
And don't forget, today at 9 p.m. we have our big full quiz competition at our official Instagram handle, @finanza.dsc. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you, everyone.